Hey everybody, it's me, Mrs. Salazar, your math teacher, your favorite Algebra 1 teacher in all the world. Okay, so we're going to do substitution method. That's another way to solve systems of equations. And the first step I notice is y equals 4x. So that means plug that in. This goes in for the y. So we rewrite this and it's going to be 3 parentheses 4x plus 2x equals 28. And I make my train track. So we multiply 3 times 4x, we get 12x, add that to 2x. (12x plus 2x equals 14x). And now we get to divide. So we have 14x equals 28, divide by 14 on both sides. And we get x equals 2. That is only part one of your answer. You need 2 answers. So we need to solve for the y number. Let's use a different color. Let's try blue. So we're going to rewrite y equals 4x. And that 2 is going in for your x. So we rewrite y equals 4 parentheses 2. Okay, that sounds great. Y equals 8. So what is my point of intersection? Point of intersection. Totally need to know how to do this for the test. 2, 8. Good job, Grizzlies. Bye.